Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Movement channel. In this lecture, we will study about process. What is process? Why process is important in manufacturing industry? What is the importance of process in quality management system implementation? And how process is important for the growth of an organization. So be connected to Engineering at Movement channel. Process is an activity or set of activity that uses some resources to convert inputs to outputs. Process must have desired and ideally measurable objectives. It should have some inputs. It should produce some outputs which meet desired and ideally measurable objectives. It should perform some activity and it should have some resources. This is a diagram in which an activity is performed which is converting inputs to outputs by utilization of some resources. The output generated should meet desired objectives. So it is denoting a process. Friends, process approach. Process approach means an organization manage their business as a system of processes and processes are connected. So process approach is very important in quality management system implementation, and an organization work on process approach. To go into depth, this is a flowchart in which four processes are performed: P1, P2, P3, P4. P1 is utilizing input, converting a input I1 to output O1. So the generated output O1 is working as input to P2 as I2, and P2 is converting I2 to O2. The O2 is working as input I3 for P3 and P3 is converting I3 to O3. O3 output is working as input to P4 as I4, and P4 is converting I4 to final output. Final output is output of the organization. To understand this, we should understand that processes are connected and process connection should be properly synchronized. If it will be properly synchronized, the final output will be better. So we should understand the connectivity of different processes, and we should know how final output can be made better. To understand it practically in a factory, the procurement processes are done and the output of procurement process is working as input to store department. The output of store department is working as input to incoming inspection stage. The output of incoming inspection is incoming inspection results, and they are working as input to production process. The output of production process is products. It is working as input to dispatch process, and the output of dispatch process are the output of organization. For implementing process approach, we should know 4 points. The first point is we should identify key processes. We should define standards for those processes. We should decide how process will be measured and evaluated, and we should document our approach to achieve desired output. So we should, while implementing these 4 points, we should know how these different processes can be synchronized and connected. The output should meet desired objectives. This point should be noted and should be kept in mind. This was all about process approach. I hope, friends, you will all have enjoyed my lecture. At Engineering at Movement, we will be bringing more lectures like this. Please do subscribe our channel and like and share our videos. Thank you.